So here we are, we're in the salt marsh and we're in an area of disturbance. And initially we have the rack that comes in, kills everything underneath it, and the first form of disturbance is just bare ground, everything dead. Then what happens is the tide brings in seeds from this annual plant called Salicornium europaea. It's a beautiful succulent. We'll talk more about it later. But its job in this environment is that the seeds move into an area of disturbance that's bare ground. The bare ground in an area like this gets really high salt concentrations and nothing can live there. So the purpose of this plant is to come in and it takes the salt out of the soil and ameliorates the conditions so that the zone formers are then allowed to send their runners back into the area. So you can see young plants of Spartina alterniflora are starting to come back into the zone that was disturbed. This is probably a 2-year disturbance. So we had the last year was probably bare ground, excuse me, and this year the Salicornium is taking the salt out of the soil and allowing the Spartina alterniflora to send its runners from the perennial plant back into this patch.